This is using the reference square wave. You can see that the vertical holds. Something's wrong with the horizontal. It always shows triggering to be on. I'm not quite sure where the issue is. That's what we're looking at as far as the problem goes, and then you can touch something and it's perfectly fine. It only seems to be, maybe it only seems to be drawn on the left hand of the screen, but I'm not convinced that that's an actual cause of the problem. That circuit may be broken, but I'm going to keep testing.